What's the meaning of continental slope? Continental slope. Continental slope.
Continental slope. Continental slope. The continental slope is an underwater landform that marks the transition between the shallow continental shelf and the deep ocean floor. It is a steep slope that descends from the continental shelf down to the abyssal plain. The slope is considered an important zone for marine ecosystems and fishing, as it provides a habitat for diverse species of marine organisms. Due to its steep gradient, sediment and organic matter can accumulate on the slope, providing an important source of nutrients for these ecosystems. Overall, the continental slope plays a critical role in shaping the oceanic environment and sustaining marine life.